Hi, today I have LENOVO Tab P12 and I want to show you how to remove magnification to this device. We start off opening our settings application in it, scroll and choose our accessibility, where we must find our magnification. Now we must turn on our shortcut magnification, confirm I got it, and we have our shortcut, which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe with it on screen and select place where we want it. To zoom our screen, tap on our shortcut and tap on screen. To change position of that, use two finger and swipe with it on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out. When you use only one finger, you can go up and down, not left and right. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. See you soon. Bye.